Tired of failing to quit smoking? Or too afraid to even try? You're not the problem, the methods are. Willpower, cold turkey, hypnosis, vaping, pills, cutting down, gums, patches, all that is not enough. And if there's no plan, they just don't work. Quitting smoking is a journey, and most important, it needs a strategy. Would you head out into the wild with no map, no food, no water, no gear? Of course not. You'd prepare and pack what you need to survive and succeed. It's the same with quitting. Without the right tools, the journey can be tough, even end up unsuccessful. When you have all the tools, equipment, and everything you need for the journey, you can travel happily and confidently. That's why we created the Extreme Anti-Smoking System, our most advanced quit smoking program. A quit smoking system that can make your dream a reality. It gives you every tool you need, step by step, to finally quit smoking, comfortably, confidently, and for good. Ready to start your journey? Let's do this together. For a limited time, get access for 87% off. Only for early users. Get access now for just $9. Normal price $67. That's right, only $9 to change your life. Click now to join before spots fill up. The Extreme Anti-Smoking System, your door to a smoke-free life. Click the link and start your journey today.